Hi guys, my name is Susie from Ticketspice.
Hey, I'm Johnny.
We're going to show you guys how to use the StarMicronics Bluetooth printer with your Ticketspice Box Office app. You'll need 3 things to get started. The first one is a fully charged iPad with the Ticketspice Box Office app. Second, you'll need the StarMicronics Bluetooth printer. Third, you'll need a Wi-Fi connection. First, you want to plug in the printer with the power cable. It's a little awkward.
Hey, just like me.
There are 2 buttons on the printer, the power button and the feed button. If you're using multiple iPads and multiple printers, you want to hold down the feed button and then the power button.
Got it. There it is.
Nailed it. The piece of paper that you want is the second strip. This is where your device name will be located. All right, now you can go ahead and put your printer aside and turn on the iPad. Go ahead and locate the Settings app on your iPad. Click on Bluetooth, find the printer, and connect. Awesome, to confirm that you're connected, go ahead and open up the Ticketspice Box Office app. Click on the left-hand corner, select Settings, and make sure that your printer is connected. And there you have it, now you're ready to start printing.